Hi, my name is Peter Kaczynski. I work for MaxScheduler. Today I'm doing a short video on how to connect MaxScheduler with the Zapier ecosystem. Zapier is an application that allows, it's kind of like an online website that allows online apps to talk to each other. For example, Google Sheets can talk with QuickBooks Online, things like that. Here at MaxScheduler, we're trying to create a MaxScheduler app or allow it for other applications such as Google Sheets to send data into MaxScheduler. So the way you do this is we first have to set up an account. So I'm going to put here's an email address, some credentials, and changed my information. Not sure why it's doing that, but there you go. Okay, I have to enter in the password. We sign up. Say we're not a robot. Okay. They ask you to specify a role. You don't really need to do that. Now once you get to this screen, it shows that you have an account in Zapier. So next what I'm going to do is I've sent an invitation to myself. Right now, MaxScheduler has an app in Zapier, but it hasn't gotten kind of to the top official status. Right now, it still requires invites to be sent out personally. So if you're interested in working with MaxScheduler, please send us an email and we can send you an invite. So I'm just going to copy this link, go over here, and paste it. And if you click on the link, you'll see a screen like this. You've been invited to use MaxScheduler on Zapier. So go down and click the big orange button. And what a zap is kind of, and the next part is we need to create a zap. A zap is kind of an existing kind of, you're specifying how, say, Google Sheets should talk to MaxScheduler. So let's go through, I'm going to walk you through that process. Let's make a new zap. As a start next example, let's go with Google Sheets. Okay, let's start with triggering it. So let's import data into MaxScheduler when a new row is added to a Google Sheet. Okay, let's continue. We have to sign into Google Sheets. Zapier helps to take care of the authentication. I'm going to use Google to authenticate myself here. We allow for the permissions. We say yes to the permissions. So let's continue. Now I have a spreadsheet already in Google Sheets that I'm using as an example. You have to specify a worksheet. So I'm just choosing the first worksheet. Let's continue. You don't need to test it. You can just hit skip test. And the next part is we want to look for the MaxScheduler invite. And here it is. We have one action right now, which is, so the idea is there's data in Google Sheets. When a new row is added, it has potential to go into MaxScheduler, and it'll be imported as a single job. So let's hit continue. We have to sign into MaxScheduler. So we'll be using this MaxScheduler.com, and we can send you an account. I'll send the credentials to a separate email. Okay, so we've successfully logged into MaxScheduler. With the MaxScheduler importing, what you're doing is you're matching, if it works with Google Sheets, it's kind of like matching columns in Google Sheets to what we call attributes in MaxScheduler. And they allow you to pick kind of column headings. We have donut, quantity, and let's say hours. We say continue. You can test this and continue. Okay, now if you could, the last step is to turn the zap on. And now we have an existing zap that hooks up Google Sheets and Zapier and MaxScheduler. Thank you for your time.